Hello everyone. So now we're going to be analyzing torrent power. Torrent power has again come on our scanner on the 30th of November as a long opportunity for a holding period of up to a few months. Now, torrent power, in fact, came to us even earlier before, but now we're just going to try and do this analysis once more and see if there is a good entry point. So, on the monthly time frame, because we're going to be holding this for a few months, and we're going to make our buying or selling decision on the daily time frame. This is our execution time frame. We're going to be doing a multiple time frame analysis on monthly, weekly, and daily. We're going to be following the trend. So the trend here is a bullish trend so far on our phase changer. That means our ATM is above our 20 EMA. Price is comfortably above the ATMA. Now let's look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, again, we're just continuing this analysis. On our moving averages, the stock is comfortably above, but of course, gradually increasing on a week-to-week basis. Okay, great. This is bullish. Now let's go to the daily time frame. This is where usually most of our analysis will be done. Now on the daily time frame, first thing that we will see is that on this moving average pair 1820. The bullish crossover has happened earlier this month on the 2nd of November. First 2nd of November is where the bullish crossover has happened, and after this we see that the price has gone up. No ring low forming anywhere here. There is a pullback, a ring low on the lower high and a lower low candle, and then a resulting pullback failure. In fact, personally, we have taken up some of these positions here, torrent power. Some of us have taken these positions, but let's see. If we have missed this opportunity here, we have another opportunity that has come up. That is another ring low, a beautiful rejection from the bottom, and a pullback failure. But before that, let's just see, before we decide on our entry, let's just see if all of the parameters match up, right? So are we above the green band? Yes, we're above the green band. Let's see where our support is being formed here. Right now, our support is being formed at the 50 EMA very well. If you see, the price has bounced back from the 50 EMA. Again, here there's a good bounce back. Again, from here there's a good bounce back. Of course, torrent power is not highly volatile in the sense that it's not giving us big ranges on our daily candles as well. But let's see here, we got this bearish crossover, small phase 2 continuation of the trend, phase 1 continuation of the trend happening here. In fact, our entry could have been here as well. Now this is a good indication that the price is being supported by the 50 EMA here, right? And then across above. And after this, the price hasn't, in fact, even after it came back around here, it has taken a good rejection. And now today's candle is giving us a very good indication that this trend might continue, right, from here. The bullish crossover allow the prices to go up. Look for a pullback failure, look for a pullback, look for a ring low pattern. There's the pullback failure, and from here our entry could have been here, and next our entry can also be here. This is our very quickly the prices have come back to this, right? So let's plan our entry here. We need to be able to put up a stop loss. So SL long, standard configuration of 1.75 is fine right now because our stop loss is now below the 50 EMA, which is a very comfortable place for us to allow the stock to move down to. In fact, if you look at this line here, right now, this is also below the lowest low of this entire pullback, right? So great, this is a good sign. If we are placing our stop loss here, what would be our target? Long position tool, minimum 1:1, then we can go to 1:2, keep holding it on to 1:2, 1:3 until the trend is still bullish, right? So, and then at 1:2 or 1:3, we can decide to phase down or exit however we like. If you want to scale down on your positions, you can. If you want to exit, you can exit completely. Now we just want a 1:1. Let's just see if it moves on to here, this is a 1:1. So we're right now at 550, 551 levels. We just need to move up to 600, 603 levels. Of course, 50 rupee move might be difficult, but you see, just in the first 1 month, in the first month since the bullish crossover, in the 1 month since the bullish crossover, we've already made 50 rupees. It's already made a 50 rupee move. Of course, it is a gradual move. That is why we want to hold on to this stock for a little while longer than usual. But I think 1 or 2 months, we should be able to achieve this target. If not, we will come back and review the trade and see, if there are any difficulties, where we can exit. But right now, I think, we're looking at very good all-time highs and breaks of those all-time high, and the price key continuing to move forward. In fact, Power Grid is also on the same radar, and we did that analysis as well. So I think we will be able to take up both of these stocks. Please see if you can take an entry. It's a good entry point according to me, and please do your own analysis. If you think according to your own analysis, your capital management, your so we've done the risk management. Please do your position sizing. You're not risking more than 10% on the long-term positional trades, right? 10% is all right. 10% of your total capital. So please make sure that you're doing your analysis, your position sizing, right kind of risk management, and then taking these entries if you are taking these entries. Just a disclaimer. We're not providing any calls, any buy signals or sell signals, or any investment advice or financial advice. This video has been made for our bootcamp participants, who are who know what this entire setup is all about, and what we're doing with this setup, right? So great. That's about it from me for Torrent Power. We'll come back with another video and another analysis soon. Thank you so much.